Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to delete an item. Let's say the scenario is that you have an item that you're no longer going to offer. You're removing it from your menu, and you want to delete it from the system so that employees don't keep selecting it. What you want to do is log into the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Click on the menu button here at the top left. Go to Account Menu. And then that should default you to items, but that's where you want to go if you aren't already. Let's say we want to get rid of Pepsi here. I'm going to select Pepsi, and once you select the item, you're going to see the delete option down here at the bottom. So we're going to click delete. We're going to hit yes to confirm, and there's deleted. Then all you have to do is publish changes to get that back. Now, if you want to restore an item, you go to Show Deleted Items and click on Pepsi, and then click on the Restore. I'm going to ask you to confirm that as well. Once you do that, now it's restored, and then you can go back to click here to hide deleted items. You just see all your active items. But that's how you delete an item. That's all I have for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.